Hello friends, welcome to How to Tutorials in channel. Today, I will create a YouTube thumbnail using Stable Diffusion. First of all, let's start Stable Diffusion program. It will take a time to load first. It's loaded. Let's start Stable Diffusion program locally on Chrome. Here it is. So before proceeding, let's create a reference image using Photoshop. It can be done with basic image editing softwares and freewares like GIMP as well. Select New. Select width and height. For YouTube it's 1280 into 720. Select background as white. Write your desired text. Change text color to black. Now save this image as PNG. New, come back to Chrome to Stable Diffusion, open ControlNet. Drag your created image to ControlNet windows. Select Enable. Then tick Pixel Perfect. Select Preprocessor Invert. Select the depth model also. Now select the desired size, width and height, which will be 1280 into 720. After this, write the prompt. I am using water droplets, reflection, rim lighting, sky. Before clicking Generate, select the desired Stable Diffusion checkpoint from top. I will using model name Deliberate. After selecting, click Generate. You can download this model from civitai.com. It seems by mistake I have changed the aspect ratio. Let's rectify it and try again. Click Generate. Looks good. If you like this channel, please give it a like and subscribe my channel. Bye.